Welcome to Memo Wonder. My goal is to show you that even some of the world's most famous destinations can be enjoyed on a small budget, in a very small budget. Over the next 10 days, I will be sharing two more excited destinations with you. But today, let's slow down and enjoy one of my favorite moments here in Pattaya. I am at beautiful Jomtien Beach enjoying a delicious Thai barbecue chicken and a fresh coconut for only $5. If you travel smart, you can enjoy amazing food, beautiful beaches, and unforgettable experience. By the way, I really love this barbecue chicken. I just don't want to eat the skin because most of the fat is in the chicken skin. That's my personal choice, but the chicken is amazing. If you notice, I'm leaving the skin. It's just my personal choice. I try to eat a little healthier. The sound of the wave, friendly local people, cute squirrels running through the trees, playful pigeons, and of course the adorable dogs that always seem to become part of my journey. One thing I noticed is that I don't see many cats around the beach. Today is all about slowing down, sitting in a beach chair, enjoying the ocean breeze, and appreciating the simple things in life, almost with zero expenses. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, Memo Wonder.